Hello everyone, my name is Charli and I am a homemaker. I am a mother of a one baby. Actually, in this channel, I have never thought I will upload video like English, what I have been doing these days. So before that, I was used to upload like skincare, healthcare, and I have uploaded many cooking video. Yeah, at that time I was good in it. I can't say I'm not good in it today. I'm good, but these days I am feeling like I have to focus on another thing. Actually, since my childhood, I was good in study, and uh, this I have always dreamed like I would get a government job. But I can say I was not fortunate enough, and I was not lucky enough. I didn't get a government job because many things happened. So at that time when I have started this language, I was not good enough. I can actually yeah I was not good enough to understand native language. At that time, I have always thought I can't improve this language. So far I did many mistakes, but mistakes made us fluent. Mistake made us to get realization you are improving. Yeah, I can say I am improving day by day, but not too much. Mm, Actually, I am a mother of a baby, and my baby is only 15 months now. So it's very difficult for me to focus 100% in this language, because I have to do other work also. I have to take care my child. So yeah, although I am doing whatever I'm doing, I have proud on myself. I can say I can do anything. So yeah, I just wanted to share with you like I I am thinking about, I would take challenge about 30 days challenge. So within a 30 days, so I will share my journey, what I did to improve this language. And I just want to take this challenge, and I want to see myself, am I improving. And also you can do this thing with yourself. You can also listen my video, because while listening we can improve a lot. And I have watched since 6 months many podcasts, and I have many idea about in which sector you have to watch. Like this language, we don't think about to learn this language. We have to also think about, we have to learn many areas, which is essential. Like we have to learn how to speak confidently, how to balance the situation, how to think critically, because it's very important. And while listening you can improve this thing. You can improve your critical thinking, and and you can improve many areas while watching. Like if you are interested in science genre, so you can pick on science videos, science podcast. Like if you are interested in any genre, you should pick up that genre. So and which is and you if you are finding like your interest in which section, so you just pick up that genre. And yeah, so if you will listen, if you will speak day by day, you will improve. Yeah, but I can't say you can improve within a day, because it's very difficult. We never learn anything within a day, because since our childhood we are used to speak, to listen our mother tongue. So it's very difficult to learn other thing, to learn other language within a day. No, it can't be possible. Because if anyone told you like within a 6 month, within a year you can learn this language, so how you ever thought about that? How I can learn any language within a year? Actually, now my baby, he's 15 years old, but he can't speak properly. So now he is observing what my father mother is speaking. So after observe that, he would start speaking. So this language journey for us, it's very new for us. So we will observe. First we will see how the people speak, how their body language they like do. So Yeah, so it's very important. But I can say, if you will do practice, if you will do work on any sector, you can improve, you can do anything, you can achieve any goal. Because no one comes here to no one comes here to with their achievement. Everyone comes here when they were nothing. Like everyone in their child, they has nothing, they didn't know anything. But while growing up, when they get in their um, adult age, they get to know about in which sector I have to learn, what I have to do. And while knowing their capacity, they started to work on it. So it's never too late. Whenever you realized that I have to do anything for myself, I don't have to just live in a room, just live in a room and just do household chores, and I have to just spend my life for others. Actually, I just want to share for women. We since our childhood, we taught about not to speak, to be silent, to keep silent, yeah, to be calm, and don't argue with others. So we are used to of it, so we always thought we don't have to speak. And even when we were going to our office, like when we get a job, so at that time we didn't get that much of courage to negotiate our salary. But it's our what I can say, it's our responsibility, it's our hak. I don't remember the meaning of the word. So yeah, if we will not speak, so we can't get anything. If we will speak, if we will stand for ourselves, so we can do anything. Hello everyone, and my baby also wants to meet with you. He's my baby, and he's baby boy, and he's very mischievous. He always wants to do notorious thing. So I have been facing struggle to manage him. Actually, I am a helicopter mother. I can say about myself, I'm a helicopter mother. I am doing everything by my own. I don't have any person to do to take care of him, to take care of a mischievous baby. But yeah, I can say I can manage everything alone, and I am capable to do anything. It's not and we have to do anything while smiling. And while smiling, we can face any struggle. So yeah, I have learned this thing, and I have watched many podcasts about thing how to keep calm, how to be silent, don't react to the situation. But it's very difficult to follow that rules in our life. But yeah, I have been doing practice, and I know whatever I want to do, I can do. It's never too late. But we have to just believe in ourselves. If we will believe in ourselves, we can get any achievement. Just please trust yourself, what you are and in which area you want to do. Like not in English, like every person has their other desire. So if you get to know about yourself, just talk to yourself. Don't think about to like I am not getting validation from others. Others doesn't give me respect. So why you need others respect? Why you need others validation? Why you thought about others? Because sorry, you can't change others. But if you want to change, you can change yourself. So it's very important to see yourself, to know yourself, what you are. It's very important to change yourself. Because of you, no one will would change. And if you would not change yourself, everyone started to get hurts you. So it's very important to know yourself, to do what you want to do. So this is my first video. So whatever I have learned, I will share in my next video. And from today onwards, I have been taking this challenge. I will upload till 30 days. And I just want to know about yourself. Are you guys are ready to take challenge? Are you guys are ready to improve yourself in which area you want to do? And I am with you, and I have been also improving myself. And I know in some point of time I can do anything.